Hi all, welcome back to another video of Pratham Test Prep. My name is Nikhil. This video we are shooting to help you in filling up the form for Delhi Technical University application form 2021. Guys, what we're gonna do in this video, we'll talk about Delhi Technical University, we'll talk about the courses offered, other things about university, the value of the college or in this particular courses, and about a few more important points, and then we'll show you the process of filling up the form. All right. Before I start the process of filling up the form, I would like to tell you that till now, Delhi Technical University has launched its BA Eco Honors course. So those who are willing to get into the apply for the Eco Honors course, they can apply for it. The application will be on the merit basis. Their BBA form is yet to release. So अभी BBA का form आना बाकी है. So हमारे पास वो भी opportunity होगी उसको fill करने के लिए भी. Both of them will be on merit basis. So guys, जैसे there were a lot of students who called me up after boards results के मेरे percentage कम आया, got 90%, 92%, 93. I don't know whether will I be able to get a good college in Delhi University or not. And at that time also I mentioned that अभी तक this is not the end. We have number of options with us. आपके पास मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी का एप्लीकेशन का ऑप्शन था जहाँ पर आप मेरिट बेसिस पर एडमिशन ले सकते हो. Secondly, we also have this Delhi Technical University, which is one of the top reputed college, engineering college of Delhi region. IIT के बाद Delhi Technical University का काफी नाम आता है. So result wise or output wise, Delhi Technical University would be a good option to go for, even if you apply for BA Eco Honors or BB option. All right. So I'll be talking a few things about the university first. Let's talk about the courses and other things. All right. Offered course is BA Eco Honors, as I've already said. A BBA course is about to come. So both the student has to have that minimum percentage of 50% in 12th standard. That is the minimum criteria with maths. Maths has to be a part of it, and maths में compulsory है कि होना चाहिए for Eco Honors specifically. All right. Admission process will be based on the merit basis, whatever percentage you will get in your 12th marks, 12th. Based on that, you will get the selection on that Delhi Technical University, but it will be on best 4. All right. So I'll be putting up the best 4 marks there. Online applications were started on 10th of August 2021. The last day to fill up the form is 10th September 2021. So approximately 1 month to fill up that form. Exam date is not mentioned there because there's no exam as such. You will have to take the admission on the basis of the merit you have got. Application fees is 1,000 rupees for the general and the OBC category. SC, ST category ke liye, they will be charging 500 rupees for the filling of the application form. Their website is dtu.ac.in, or you can say www.dtu.ac.in. We have got a direct link with us. Once we click on that, it will take us to the registration page. Let's just click on this option and it will give us the main registration page. So what I have to do, I will have to click on register. I have to mention the name, email ID, mobile number, and I will have to give a password here. Password always keep something of which is easy to remember all those things. अभी तक आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे फॉर्म फिल कर दिए, तो आई थिंक आपने कॉमन पासवर्ड यूज कर लिए होंगे. सो आई वुड रिकमेंड कि आप कॉमन पासवर्ड को ही यूज करें जहां पर भी आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है, सो दैट you don't lose those passwords. All right. So once I do that, I will click on enter. The Delhi Technical University will send me a mail to my email ID to verify and to activate the account. Once I click on it, it will automatically activate my account. Now, further, once I click on enter, it will give us this option where I will have to log in with the email ID and the password, which I have just given at the time of registrations. So once I do that, I will click on enter and we will get this option, Delhi Technical University. I will click on explore, and then I have these two options to fill in that particular same form. So they also have an option of Bachelor of Design. अगर आप कोई student है कोई design industry में enter करना चाहते हैं, so you can fill that option also. I have for dummy sake I have kept BA Eco Honors course. So I have clicked on check on that particular option, and I will click on apply. Once I do that, it will give me the instruction how to fill up that form, the basic information about that thing. Please go through each and everything, whatever information has been given on this particular format, and then you can go forward. Once you see that, see this information, you will have to click on BA Honors Economics, and it will give you this particular option. First page, where you will have to attach a passport size photograph. The dimensions has to be 500 pixels to 300 pixels and 1000 KB. So उन्होंने आपको bandwidth काफी सारा दिया हुआ है आपको photograph attachment करने का, so don't have to do much changes in that. जो आप photograph 1 MB के आसपास दिया हुआ है, तो I think it is very easy to attach that photograph. Now on the left hand, on the right hand side, you will have to punch in the first name. If you have a middle name, you can mention that. Below that, you have the last name. Punch in your date of birth. Below that, you have gender category, nationality. You have to choose email ID and the mobile number. Below that, give your alternate email ID. Your Aadhaar card number is important. Mention that. Your city, whether you're from Delhi or outside Delhi. Then we have the Hindu or the religion you have. And next we have the option where you belong to. So these are the options you can fill up. This is the basic information, not a difficult task to fill in. Let's move ahead and go for the next option, where I will have to choose the category, general category or the category I belong to. Then we have the special quota for these options. So if you're a defense child, you can mention yes, and you can give your priorities and the options here from which band you belong there. Then we have this differently abled people. For differently abled people, we have separate quota on that. So you can click on yes, and you can choose the option. For me, I have kept no on both this option. And if you are a single child, for that also they have special category, and for GNK migrant. So special category के अंदर अगर आप single child हैं, आपके पास अगर certificate है उस चीज का, then only you will use it. Otherwise certificate नहीं है, I would not recommend you to do it, because you will have to attach the photo, the certificate along with these particular things. All right. Moving ahead, I just have to mention the address. I have already mentioned the address, city, pin code, number, state, and other information. Below that, you will have to punch in your family information, your father name and the last name, your father's mobile number, and the email ID. Same goes for your mother. You will have to punch in your mother's name, full name, your mother's mobile number, and the email ID. Your father and mother email ID can be the same. अगर आपके दोनों के पास कोई email ID नहीं है, तो आप एक email ID को use करके भी उसको further proceed कर सकते हैं. All right. So I move to this click next option by clicking on save and continue. Once I do that, I will have to punch in the academic information. Here, for education details, I have to punch in the 10th information here. All right. So 10th में I have selected जो अभी 12th में आए हैं, 12th के exam दिए हैं जिन्होंने, they will be from 2021 batch, and your 10th would have completed in 2019. So I've kept 2019 there. I have selected my board CBSE. अगर आपका बोर्ड का इंफॉर्मेशन वहां पर नहीं है मेंशन, आप यहाँ पर आप अदर्स में आप जाकर मैनुअली इसको पंच इन कर सकते हैं. सो अगर आपके बोर्ड्स की लिस्ट में नाम नहीं है, तो आप यहाँ पर मैनुअली भी आप पंच इन कर सकते हैं. नाउ बिलो दैट we'll have to punch in the 10th school and the address, school address. So I have kept the Mathura road only. You can keep Mathura road. You can just put the location. That's no harm there. All right. Moving ahead. 12th की information, I have kept CBSE board there. Again, as I've already stated कि आपके पास अगर लिस्ट में नाम नहीं दिख रहा है बोर्ड का, तो आप मैनुअली भी यहाँ पर नाम लिख सकते हैं. I have completed my 12th in 2021 this year, so I've mentioned that. Now, this particular page is very very important, guys. As I've already told you कि आपको best 4 के मार्क्स देने हैं, wherein आपके मैथ्स के मार्क्स कंपलसरी हैं. आपको मैथ्स आपको कंपलसरी होना ही चाहिए. Now, important point is, whether you have core maths or you have applied maths, you are eligible for both of these. ठीक है. So अगर आपके पास applied maths भी है, तो आप eligible हैं इस particular option को भरने के लिए. Now I have mentioned my marks there, 93. School name, Delhi. I have written. School address option is there, Delhi, and the pin code number. This information I have punched in. Next, I will go for the next option. This information I have given for the maths specifically, because maths से आपको डालना है, and then rest of the subjects आप उसको अपने हिसाब से आप punching कर सकते हैं. So the उसके अलावा this is the first column. Second, we have the second column, then we have the third column, and fourth column हम already fill कर चुके हैं by giving our maths marks. So आपके पास जो कि best 4 में आपके marks आ रहे हैं वो डाल दीजिए maths पे include करके. So I have kept English maximum marks for 100. I kept my obtained marks. Then I went for the second one. The second subject again I have chose business studies, maximum marks, obtained marks. Then third option I've kept accounts, maximum marks, and the obtained marks. Very simple, very simple task, not a difficult one. I have to punch in my academic information, 10th and 12th marks, and then I will have to click on save and continue. Once I do that, it will ask me to attach the documents and the signature. So as I've already stated, I have to punch in the 10th mark sheet and the 12th mark sheet. 10th mark sheet सबके पास होती है, so there's no problem in attaching that thing. अगर आपके पास 12th की मार्कशीट नहीं है, नो प्रॉब्लम. आपके पास जो ऑप्शन रहता है, अगर आपके मार्कशीट मिल गई है, वेल एंड गुड, प्लीज गो एंड अटैच इट. अगर आपको मार्कशीट नहीं मिली है तो आपके पास जो CBSE की वेबसाइट पर आपके पास रिजल्ट आया था, आप उसको निकाल कर भी आप अटैच कर सकते हैं. सो नो प्रॉब्लम. आप डिजिटल लॉकर को भी यूज कर सकते हैं. डिजिटल लॉकर के अंदर भी यू वुड हैव गॉट दी 12th परसेंटेज मार्कशीट. सो आप वहां पर जाके भी आप उसको डाउनलोड करके उसको भी अटैच कर सकते हैं. तो अगर आपके पास फाइनल रिजल्ट्स नहीं आया है मार्कशीट, तो आप इसकी टेम्परेरी मार्कशीट को भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं. ऑलराइट. नाउ अगर आप किसी कैटेगरी से बिलोंग करते हैं, विल हैव टू अटैच द डॉक्यूमेंट. डिफेंस वाला ऑप्शन था. सिंगल गर्ल चाइल्ड का जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था कि आपको सर्टिफिकेट अटैच करना होगा. फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी जो भी मैंने पर्टिकुलर ऑप्शन टिक किया था लास्ट ऑप्शन पर, तो मेरे को उसके लिए सर्टिफिकेट प्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा. इफ आई डोंट हैव द सर्टिफिकेट, आई विल नॉट बी एलिजिबल फॉर दैट. So please make sure whenever you use any categories there, you will have to have the certificate with it, and you'll have to attach that. All right. Let's move ahead. We will attach the passport size photograph. 2 MB can be the maximum size. 300 pixels to 200 pixels can be the pixels you attach. And then I will attach the signature, and I will click on save and continue. Once I do that, it will give us the declaration. I will have to see and confirm all this information, and then I will have to click on the place where I belong to or from where I'm filling up the form. Date by default वहाँ पर आ जाएगी. That is grayed out. You don't have to fill it manually. That's it. Below that, I will have to confirm this declaration. I will tick on this option, and I will click on save and continue. Once I click on that option, it will give us the option, because I have filled that form in general category, I will have to pay 1,000 rupees. I will click on pay by SBI, because that is the only payment gateway available here. फिर हमारे पास ऑप्शन आ जाएगा कार्ड से पे करने के लिए, नेट बैंकिंग एंड अदर बैंक्स. सो मैं इसमें से कोई सा भी ऑप्शन चूज करके क्लिक करके आई कैन मेक द पेमेंट फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. दैट्स इट. इट वाज वेरी इजी फॉर्म, नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क. जस्ट आपको जब आप 12th के मार्क्स डालते हैं तो उसमें थोड़ा सा आपको कॉशियसली उसको फिल करना है. रेस्ट अदर थिंग्स वर वेरी सिंपल, वेरी इजी, बिकॉज आप ऑलरेडी सारे फॉर्म्स फिल कर चुके हैं, तो आपको पता है कि फॉर्म्स को किस तरह से फिल करना है. सो नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क. वी थॉट कि अगर आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम आती है तो एटलीस्ट आप ये वीडियोस को देखकर फिल कर सकें. गाइस, आपके कुछ फ्रेंड्स होंगे जो प्रथम में नहीं होंगे या प्रथम के स्टूडेंट्स नहीं होंगे, सो वो भी आप हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर जाकर आप ये वाले वीडियोस को रेफर कर सकते हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स को, सो दैट दे डोंट मेक एनी मिस्टेक इन फिलिंग अप द फॉर्म्स. बाद में यूनिवर्सिटी को मेल करने से बेटर है आप उसको ठीक से फिल कीजिए. गिव टाइम टू द फॉर्म फिलिंग थिंग. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि ऐसी सिचुएशन ना आए कि आपका फॉर्म रिजेक्ट हो जाए. तो बेटर दिस, आप उसको क्लियरली उसको देखकर एंड उसको वीडियोस को देखकर आप फिल कीजिए. ऑलराइट. स्टिल अगर आपको और भी कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है फॉर्म फिलिंग के टाइम पर या और भी कोई इश्यूज होते हैं, you can contact us on the given phone numbers. I have given the landline number and the mobile number. For every region we have different phone numbers. You can contact us for any kind of support. All right. So this we have done. Whenever we'll be having any BBA form for DTU, Technical University, will be creating the videos for that too. अगर और भी कोई फॉर्म निकलता है, भी almost all the forms are out. अगर कुछ और फॉर्म भी निकलते हैं, तो we'll be creating for the video for that too. All right. So thank you for watching our video. Stay safe and work hard for the upcoming entrance test. All right. Thank you. Have a nice day.